Hello believers and welcome to another episode of SMC DAO tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to buy one of the latest and hottest coins on the Binance Chain Network currently. It was recently listed on two different centralized exchanges, and I will show you how to buy with one of the exchanges that it was just listed on, which is IndoEx. You can get your IndoEx app from your Play Store or from your App Store, and when you have done that and logged in, tap right there on your IndoEx app, and it shows you right there new listing on IndoEx, Billicat, and the symbol is BCAT. So to buy your Billicat coin through this exchange, first ensure that you have logged in, or if you don't already have an account on IndoEx, you can sign up and get your account immediately. So moving forward, we'll tap right here on our assets, and it shows the amount of USDT you currently have in your wallet. If you just signed up, you may not have USDT in your wallet, so you could send it from another wallet in here so that you can easily trade your Billicat coin on IndoEx app. So when I am sure that I have dollar in my wallet, it has to be more than $5. Tap right here on trade, and up here on this exchange BTC to USDT, search on BCAT to USDT and tap right there on it. So we're going to buy our Billicat right now. You could either buy, depending on the amount that is in your wallet. Right above there, it shows you the available amount in your wallet. Mine is 5.3 USDT. So I would buy 100% of all I have, watching the price currently. And if I want to do a limit sale, I can make it lower. Alright. And tap right here on buy. So as you can see, my order has been added successfully. If you don't want to do a limit sale, you can tap right there on the price, and it gives you at the market price. So whenever Billicat coin price reaches 0.03, my order will successfully go through and I would have my Billicat tokens. So this is a very simple process that you can easily get through it. If this video has been of help to you, tap right there on the like button, subscribe, and follow SMC DAO tutors for more educative content. See you next time.